ಏಕಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಾಸನ, ವೀರಭದ್ರಾಸನ, ಏಕಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಾಸನ, ದ್ವಿಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಾಸನ, ಶಂಕಾಸನ, ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಊರ್ಧ್ವಮುಖ ಶ್ವಾನಾಸನ, ಅಧೋಮುಖ ಶ್ವಾನಾಸನ, ಶಂಕಾಸನ, ಏಕಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಾಸನ, ವೀರಭದ್ರಾಸನ, ಏಕಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸರಣಾಸನ, ಉತ್ಥಾನಾಸನ, ಸಮಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಓಂ ಹ್ರೂಂ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಓಂ ಹ್ರೂಂ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಯ ನಮಃ.
Siddha is always perfect and makes us perfect. Makes us perfect in whatever sadhana we are doing. Urdhvasana, Uttanasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Shankasana, Sastranga Namaskara, Urdhvamukha Shvanasana, Adhomukha Shvanasana, Shankasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Uttanasana, Samastiti. Om Hraim Rudraya Namaha.
ಓಂ ಹ್ರೈಂ ರುದ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
Rujina means diseases, problems in our life, problems in the body. Rudra means one is remover of all the problems and diseases from the body. Urdhvasana, Uttanasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Dvipada Prasaranasana, Shankasana, Sastranga Namaskara, Urdhvamukha Shankasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Uttanasana, Samastiti. Om Amritaya Namaha.
ಓಂ ಹ್ರೌಂ ಅಮೃತಾಯ ನಮಃ.
As we do the sadhana, makes the amrita trickle from the crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra, drench the whole body, energize the whole body, increase the lifespan in the body. Urdhvasana, Uttanasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Uttanasana, Dvipada Prasaranasana, Shankasana, Sastranga Namaskara, Urdhvamukha Shvanasana, Adhomukha Shvanasana, Shankasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Samastiti. Om Dhanvantirine Namaha.
ಓಂ ಹ್ರಾಕ್ ಧನ್ವಂತರೇ ನಮಃ.
Dhanvantari is the remover of all the diseases, giver of immortality to us. He gives the nectar in us, makes the amrita flow from our crown chakra, from the Sahasrara chakra. Urdhvasana, Uttanasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Dvipada Prasaranasana, Shankasana, Sastranga Namaskara, Urdhvamukha Shvanasana, Adhomukha Shvanasana, Shankasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Uttanasana, Samastiti. While chanting the mantra, last mantra, we go around clockwise. It's the praying to the Supreme in the sun, Savitra Surya Narayanaya. Within the sun, I am praying to the Narayana in the sun. That Narayana in me also. Go around clockwise while chanting the mantra. Om Shri Savitra Shri Surya Narayana Namaha.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸವಿತ್ರ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ ನಮಃ.
Urdhvasana, inhale, Uttanasana, exhale. Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Pada Prasaranasana, Shankasana, Sastranga Namaskara, Urdhvamukha Shvanasana, Adhomukha Shvanasana, Shankasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Veerabhadrasana, Ekapada Prasaranasana, Uttanasana, Samastiti. Close to 1700 asanas we have done, and lie down on your back. Long inhale and longer exhale. Long inhale, longer exhale, long inhale, longer exhale, long inhale, longer exhale. Squeeze your feet much the stomach muscles and relax. Squeeze the buttock muscles and relax. Squeeze the chest muscles and relax. Squeeze the palms